yesterday with the sun by my side. Found a little joy, couldn't let it.
What's up guys? Welcome to channel.
With the lights so bright, morning coffee felt just right. Hey,
What's that?
hey, hey,
Wow! Where's your face? Oh, what's that?
smile on
Ilagay mo yung sa...
every
Kasi top is not the
Baba mo sa...
Redmi 130C.
That is, hindi, it's not. This is
Redmi.
Redmi.
Let's go ahead with it for iterated.
Ano? Oh.
they truly care.
Lagay mo sa table.
Birds were every
Oh, careful ha.
with the heart so light, took a dare. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day.
Redmi.
Careful.
And look at that guys. That is the Redmi
Happiness won't fade.
13.
30C.
Oh, you open it na. Come on.
Remove
Remove.
the sticker.
Remove.
The stick.
This one, no. This one, ayun. May white ko. Yan.
Iterated. Iterate.
Ano yun? Hindi ko naintindihan. Sige, open it.
We crack
Ako nga na ma-scratch na kaagad.
the smooth.
Si mami. Ito lang, oh, yung may nakausap. Ako nga. Ako, nahihirapan din tuloy ako. Yan, oh. Ito lang. Oh, waka mo. Careful. Oh. Ay, dito.
Put it up.
Teka lang.
Ilagay.
Oh. Teka, tingnan mo kung ano laman pa nung box. Open mo yung box. O ano laman? Open mo yung box. O ano laman? No. Open mo to. Ano pa laman yan?
Crack open. Ang Redmi.
Open.
The firecrackers. Here.
Wow!
Reconnect now.
May charger na si Mommy. Oh, wait. Open mo na yung cellphone ni Mommy kung maganda.
Turn on.
Oh, turn on mo. Mamaya mo na i-charge. Patingin, baka low bat. On mo na. Low bat! Kaya charge ko. What happened? Nag-charge pa? Parang puro kamay mo na, fingerprints mo na agad.
I-charge Samsung.
Mamaya.
Oh!
Wow.
67. Ilan percent?
67%.
Look pretty
Oh!
good. Look pretty good.
Nag-open ba?
What's happening?
Woke up yesterday with the sun by my side. Found a little joy, couldn't let it hide. Danced in my room with the lights so bright. Morning coffee felt just right. Hey, 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 it's a beautiful day. Smile on my face in every way. Yesterday, today, every day, happiness won't fade away. Stepped outside, felt the breeze in
What's up guys? Again, thanks for watching as always. Stay tuned for more videos and peace out.
songs of birds were everywhere, with the heart so